Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Reese and I'm with Maureen Bradley Designs, and we're back to look at the JJB Beads Design Ambassador package that I received for September. And then I'm just going to show you what I made from the last month's package. This had some purple and turquoise and gold and some, I think these are like an ivory color stone. I'm not sure what stone they are, but I went ahead and I just love to mix color, so I ended up adding from the Color Trends mix from Chinese Takeout from JJB Beads, and then I got these beautiful dangle chain in the mix. So I added that. They have that on their site for sale, so I added that to the mix that I got, and they gave me this chain. I believe that's what they put in the kit from last month. It seems like forever since the last one, so I'm trying to remember everything that was in it, but it's definitely the Color Trends Chinese Takeout. And then I think it's Sunset. There's a Sunset bead strand on that they have as well. And then I made these earrings to go with it. Lovely red and the ivory stone drops with the turquoise. And then I am wearing the bracelet that I made, and it just shimmies, and I added some the silk that they had for sale. I'm not sure if it's still for sale now, but they did have it. And then the tassels that were in the mix, and then some cones. So that's pretty much what I made from the last package that was sent. And now we'll move on to look at this month's. Here's the design package, and every month they're sending for the JJB Ambassador, they send a mix of beads, and so let's check out what they sent. So here's what this kit includes. We have some Halloween 2021 collection in Vampire Love Story, some white fairy silk cord, a Tensha bead pair. I just love the Tensha beads in Secret Garden on matte. They're 16mm. And then we have the Color Trends bead mix in Crystal Cave. So I'm really excited about this mix. Let's check it out. Okay, so I took everything out of the package. It was really noisy, so now we'll take a look at each of these. So here's the white fairy silk cord that they sent. Oh, and that's noisy too. There we go. Oh, look at this. I just love this silk cording. It's so fabulous to work with. And you can make tassels, you can wrap things with it. It's so wonderful to work with. So there's that. I'm just loving all this look. Let's see. Grab some scissors here. Things are being difficult to get out of the package today. Here's these Tensha beads. They don't want to come out. They're happy in their package, but they're coming out. Look at that. Okay. There we go. Oh, these are wonderful. I just love this. And it looks like these beads are like a matte finish. They're resin beads. And they have, I think the way these are made, they're made with almost like a print that they put on the bead itself, and it's like roses and flowers. These are so gorgeous, and they just make any design just wonderful, and it's going to look so fabulous with the silk. Get that together. And then this one, we are going to open the Crystal Cave first before we open the other bead mix. And I just clipped that off. Okay, sorry about that. I had to get a bead mat because you know when you put beads everywhere, they go everywhere, and all I had was this hard surface. And this is the Crystal Cave bead mix, the Color Trends bead mix, and this is, oh, these have Look at these. These are silver and they're like a cage bead. They have like a little crystal in there. That's wonderful. Oh, and look at these fabulous daggers. These are going to go so good with the Vampire Love Story mix. I love mixing them all together to see what I can come up with. And these are so cool, these potato chip beads. They make great spacers in between your beads. And then look at these, fantastic. These almost remind me of caves with all their concave, flat surfaces, edgy, so cool. And these are like an opal finish glass bead rondelles. These are half coated with silver, and those are really neat. And then some drops. These you can use for earrings, or you can make a multi-strand necklace with these. That would look really neat for Halloween. And these, some more little crystal glass rondelles. There we go. Quite a number of those. Those are great for spacers and mixing up the beads. And then these, oh, look at these. These have like a AB finish on them, and they're almost like crackle beads is what they look like. And then these are drops. You can make drops with those. And then we have some more little cone beads, crystal cone beads, glass. And then I always love these. These have some sparkle in them, little rounds. And then last but not least, some rondelles, some silver rondelles. Hey, that's a great mix that they put together here. And now, as I move these out of the way, we're going to take a look at the Vampire Love Story mix. So cool. All right, let's open it up.
Let's get those out of the way.
Oh, okay. I have a baggie. You want to put them in a baggie or just get them? Okay, everybody, so we cleared the mat off, and we're going to spill this Vampire Love Story mix out. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Oh, fabulous. Look at this. Oh, my eyes went straight to these. These are a lacy metal. And you know what? You could do all sorts of things with this because there's all sorts of holes where you can make connections. And so you can make a necklace, you can make earrings, you can make this into a bracelet. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, so cool. Give it a little bend. You can embellish them. These are just fantastic. I love it. And then look at this. This is a cool pendant, and it also has, you could do like a 4-tier necklace. Oh my gosh, with the dangles on them. Oh my God. You could also put some embellishment on there, like some crystals to really jazz that guy up. So neat. Look at all these beautiful beads in here. JC James Beads does a fantastic job. We got to hand it out to them. They just are fantastic. Look at this skeleton lady. She's beautiful. Oh, perfect pendant. Look at these guys. They're with bats. Oh, you can make earrings, you can put them in a necklace, you could make another bracelet. So many different options here, and I just love this mix. It's like got different colors mixed in with it, with black and red. Those are glass. These are more of a glass matte. Look at these teardrops. Oh, is that the blood that drips away as you vampire? Oh my God, look, these pearls. These are awesome. Little red pearl, glass pearls. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Are those fabulous or what? And they just glisten. Glass hex beads. And then, oh, look, so these are some resin gray beads. Look at that fantastic array of colors in here. They just do a fantastic job of putting all these colors together. And there's a little bit of white for the theme that goes. Those are stone, a little bit of magnesite in there. And then here's some black drops. Oh, so fantastic. Glass beads. And then, oh, look at these guys. These are more drops. Those are awesome. I think these are glass, but look at that finish. It's almost like it goes from light to dark red, and that's really cool. They're drops. Yeah, those are glass. And then we have some more red glass faceted squares. They glisten. And then we've got some cubes here. Oh, these are cool. Really goes so neat with this color mix. And some black rounds that are sort of matte and shiny on the sides. They're faceted glass. And faceted means that they have that cut. That's what that is. They're cut to where it gives it a shimmy, a shine. Look at these links. So many different possibilities. Look at these guys. These are really cool. Very gothic looking, don't you think? Oh, and look at these. Oh my gosh. These have like a pearl inside the talon. Would they look gargoyle talons or... Oh, wow. And then some black bead caps we have. And then some silver bead caps in here. Very lightweight. And then here's some silver rondelles that have almost like a snake pattern on them. Very nice. And then here is some more rondelles for spacer beads, silver, and then just a touch of some bronze. There's so much possibilities here. I am so excited about what we're going to make. And I thank you for joining me today and looking at all this fabulous stuff from JJB Beads. And I am looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you.